gotta like that.
From there looks the county.
Yeah, see how the smoke is going that way? If it goes towards you, please get out.
Oh, it's coming. Oh.
Like right now. The same way the door over there fell off.
Where that door did fell off. Yo, this door is completely melted.
Hey, get on to that side.
We should look at that door. Yo, look at the interior. Look at the flame inside. Look at the flame inside the truck. Look, there's smoke coming out the trunk. I mean, the front. Come on. Yo, look at that tire. Look at that tire. Yo, we are catching some good shots. By the way, they're still going. We got this one super better. I only got 20%. Yes, I'm right. How much minutes? I think 23. Oh, I know what that thing is on the back tire. It's the over cover. It's a cover. Look at that front tire. Oh, look. We found out that it has a mustache now.
Look at this side.
Yeah, I know. That's completely.
The back is black. That right?
Back black.
Jack black.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it now. With a stick.
It's still not dead.
I think there's like a 0% of chance to survive.
To me,
We should 100% look in the front.
there's a 1 quintillion, million, jillion,
Minus percent.
negative percent alive. Look at that itsy bitsy thing.
Itsy bitsy spider climbing up. See the mustachio? You can also see the mustachio. Yo, it's yellow right there.
You wanna look?
It is yellow.